Imagine transforming chaos into tranquility with just a touch. Reset by Jeroen DE WIT is a journey to finding calm in our everyday chaos. Our fast-paced world often leads to mental clutter. The book delves into this chaos, emphasizing the need for mental peace. DE WIT highlights self-awareness as key. Understanding our thoughts and emotions is crucial for an effective reset. What tools can lead to a personal transformation? Reset introduces meditation and mindfulness, essential tactics for achieving personal reset. How might these tools fit into your daily routine? Resetting relationships is vital. The book focuses on empathy and understanding in nurturing healthier connections. A lifestyle reset involves practical daily habit changes, emphasizing diet and exercise for overall well-being. Change, though daunting, is essential. The book guides embracing change positively as a growth gateway. Sustainability is key. How can we integrate reset practices into daily life for long-term benefits? It's about making personal growth a continuous journey. A personal reset enhances professional life, leading to better productivity, creativity, and collaboration. The journey towards inner peace is central in Reset, highlighting the importance of mental and emotional harmony. Reset emphasizes building resilience. It's about weathering life's challenges with strength and adapting to changes. Mindfulness transforms our daily life. Can you identify moments in your day for mindfulness? The book guides us to embrace the present moment. Harnessing positive energy is crucial. DE WIT teaches transforming negative thoughts into a positive outlook. Physical health plays a vital role in resetting. The book discusses the importance of diet, exercise, and rest. Managing emotions is crucial. How do you respond to life's challenges? Reset emphasizes awareness in our emotional reactions. The book also explores transforming work culture, advocating for environments that support mental health and productivity. Finding balance is crucial. What does balance look like in your life? Reset offers insights into harmonizing work, personal life, and leisure. Reset by Jeroen DE WIT isn't just a book. It's a transformative experience. It guides us to harmonize our inner world with our external environment, leading to a life of balance, resilience, and fulfillment. This journey of reset isn't a one-time event. It's an ongoing process of growth, self-discovery, and continuous improvement, empowering us to live our best lives. Key quotes from Reset: 1. Embrace change. 2. Mindfulness matters. 3. Resilience is strength. 4. Balance brings harmony. 5. Growth through awareness.